Which of our answers refers to a DNS, domain name system text record, that allows the owner of a domain to specify all the servers authorized to send email to their domain? Which of them is allowing that? So let's look at some of our answers. I know it's not going to be SRV, that one I'm automatically ruling out. It is a service record. And with this service record, it's specifying location only. So you could have your host name, port number that's specified, and it's just for servers of specific services, but it has nothing to do with authorization of email. And then let's talk about CNAME, or canonical name. This records aliases from one domain to another domain. It's used for hostname resolution and not for authorization of email sending servers. So that one's also out. Let's see, what else do we have? We have DKIM and SPF. Well, DKIM, the K always stands out to me because I remember keys. It's domain keys identified mail. And it uses a digital signature to verify the authenticity of the sender to the receiver and the message integrity. Its purpose is digital signing and verification. So let's say you have a sender over here. When you write your email out, you have a digital signature, you send it over here. The receiver of that email checks your digital signature with a key that you have in your DNS. And if that matches, we're all good. That means it hasn't been tampered with in transit. If it's not all good, it's been tampered with. And a user can take action against that. But that doesn't have anything to do with the authorization of sending mail to a domain or allowing another owner of a domain to send mail to you. That's going to have to be SPF. SPF is the Sender Policy Framework. So it's a DNS text record, and it allows a domain owner to specify which mail servers are authorized to send email to their domain on behalf of their domain. The receiving mail servers perform an SPF check to verify that the incoming email's source IP is listed in the sender's SPF record. It helps prevent email spoofing. So if someone outside here sends you an email and that email source's IP is not within your list, it can bounce the email back, it can mark it as spam, it can trash it, can do whatever you want with it. But that's essentially what it does. It's used for authorization. Are you authorized to send email here? So, yep, the DNS text record that allows the owner of a domain to specify all the servers authorized to send emails to their domain, that's going to be our SPF, the Sender Policy Framework.